Welcome to today's tutorial where you will learn how to copy cell values in Google Sheets without copying the formulas within those cells. This is a handy trick to preserve your data's integrity while working with complex spreadsheets. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Google Sheets document that contains the cells or range with the formulas you need to copy as values only. Once you have your document open, identify the cells that contain the formulas you want to copy. Click and drag to select the entire range. This could be a single cell, a row, a column, or a block of cells depending on your needs. After selecting the required cells, you're ready to copy the content. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This action copies the cells, including the formulas and any formatting they contain. Now, here comes the critical part to ensure you only paste values without the formulas. Instead of using the standard paste command, you'll use a special paste feature called Paste Special. Click on an empty cell where you want to paste the copied data. Then, right-click to open the context menu. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Paste Special. Hover over this option, and a side menu will appear. From here, select Values Only. This action will paste the copied data as plain values, leaving behind any formulas that were originally in those cells. For those who prefer using menu options rather than right-click menus, you can achieve the same result through the Google Sheets top menu. With your data still copied, click on the Edit menu at the top of your screen, then select Paste Special, and finally choose Values Only from the submenu. Once you've pasted your values, it's a good idea to double-check to ensure that only the values were pasted and not the formulas. Click on some of the pasted cells to verify that the formula bar shows only the values and not any formulas. That's it. You've successfully copied and pasted cell values without including the formulas in Google Sheets. This technique is extremely useful when you need to share data without exposing the underlying calculations or when you need to finalize a dataset for reporting purposes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you would like to see, leave a comment below. Happy spreadsheeting and see you in the next video.